Welcome, and thanks for joining us at emii.com. I'm Ananya Bhatia with your hedge fund headlines. Today's Wednesday, December 16th, 2009. Marlin Equity has closed its $650 million institutional private equity fund. The United States turnaround firm has held the first and final close of its Marlin Equity 3 fund. The fund, launched in September, closed $200 million over its original target. Since its launch, the firm has closed three private equity funds and has over $1 billion of capital under management. Orion Capital Managers' European Opportunity Fund has raised 1.28 billion euros in equity. According to IPE, the Orion European Real Estate Fund 3, which has been closed to new investors, has received capital commitments from several United States and European pension and endowment funds. The fund is a direct follow-up of the firm's previous two funds, from which the fund manager divested 80% of assets. To date, the third fund has acquired or committed 4 transactions in France and Spain, totaling over 300 million euros in equity. And in more hedge fund news, hedge fund firm Elliott Management is planning to raise about $2 billion next year by inviting existing investors to commit more money. According to MarketWatch, Paul Singer, who launched Elliott in 1977, said the firm is looking to raise money to capitalize on the new distressed opportunities in the current economic situation. Elliott sometimes raises money in a manner similar to a private equity firm rather than a hedge fund, collecting commitments from investors and then calling those in when it requires the money for investments. Elliott targets different strategies in addition to convertible arbitrage and commodity trading, such as equity trading, event arbitrage, fixed income arbitrage, short selling, and occasionally movie production investments. Osmond is planning to launch an investment vehicle. According to the Financial Times, the new fund, Horizon, is aiming to raise £500 million with £25 million in commitments from the British entrepreneur's own private equity firm, Sun Capital Partners. The vehicle, which will not seek investments in the financial services sector, will be listed on the London Stock Exchange starting in January 2010. The entrepreneur behind Pizza Express and the Punch Pub Company will use the proceeds to restructure indebted businesses in consumer sector with an enterprise value of over £1 billion. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on emii.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.